If you're over 60, I want to ask you something that might sting a little. Are you actually eating the right foods to keep your muscles strong, or are you unknowingly letting your body grow weaker every single day? The truth is, once you hit 60, your body changes drastically. You begin to lose muscle at a faster rate, your recovery slows down, and the wrong food choices only speed up that decline. But here's the good news. With the right nutrition, you can fight back, protect your muscles, and even build new strength. And today I'm going to walk you through the 10 essential foods that are scientifically proven to keep you stronger, healthier, and more independent well into your golden years. Stay tuned until the very end, because number 10 might surprise you. It's a food most people never think about for muscles, but it's one of the most powerful protectors you can eat. Number 1. Eggs, the perfect protein. When it comes to muscle health after 60, few foods are as powerful as the humble egg. Eggs are considered the gold standard of protein because they contain all 9 essential amino acids in just the right balance for building and repairing muscle. And it's not just the protein that makes eggs special. The yolk is rich in vitamin D, which supports bone strength, and choline, which helps with nerve function and muscle control. Seniors often face a challenge called anabolic resistance, which means the body doesn't use protein as efficiently as it once did, but eggs help counter that effect by providing protein in its most usable form. Whether scrambled, boiled, or poached, just 1 to 2 eggs per day can make a significant difference in maintaining muscle mass and strength. Number 2. Salmon. Salmon is not only an excellent source of lean protein, but also delivers omega-3 fatty acids that play a critical role in muscle preservation. After 60, inflammation in the body tends to rise, and chronic inflammation can weaken muscles and slow recovery. Omega-3s help fight this by reducing inflammation and improving muscle function. In fact, studies have shown that older adults who consume omega-3s experience better muscle quality and even improved strength. Salmon also contains vitamin B12, which supports energy production, and vitamin D, which helps bones remain sturdy. Adding salmon to your diet just 2 times a week can drastically improve both your recovery and your long-term muscle health. Number 3. Turkey. Turkey deserves the spotlight because it offers a lean, high-quality source of protein with very little fat. What makes turkey particularly valuable for older adults is its rich supply of niacin and vitamin B6. 2 nutrients that support your body's ability to convert food into energy efficiently. As we age, our metabolism naturally slows, and turkey helps keep your stamina and energy levels steady. The amino acids in turkey directly feed your muscles, helping with repair and recovery, while its selenium content supports immune function, something that becomes more important with age. A simple grilled turkey breast can provide everything your muscles need without weighing you down. Number 4. Lean chicken breast, the classic muscle builder. Chicken breast has long been a staple in fitness and nutrition circles, and it remains just as essential for building and maintaining muscle after 60. Low in fat and packed with protein, chicken breast gives your body the tools it needs to repair damaged tissue and grow stronger. It also provides important B vitamins that keep your nervous system functioning at its best. The beauty of chicken is its versatility. It can be grilled, baked, or added to salads, making it easy to incorporate into your weekly routine. For seniors, maintaining steady energy throughout the day is crucial, and chicken helps support that while keeping muscle mass intact. Number 5. Quinoa, plant-based complete protein. Quinoa is one of the few plant foods that can truly stand shoulder to shoulder with animal proteins because it contains all the essential amino acids in one grain. For older adults, this is a fantastic option, especially if you're looking to reduce red meat consumption. Quinoa is also rich in magnesium, which helps muscles contract and relax properly, and iron, which supports oxygen delivery to working muscles. On top of that, its high fiber content aids digestion, which can often slow down with age. Quinoa can easily replace rice or pasta in meals, offering a more nutrient-dense and muscle-friendly option that fits seamlessly into a balanced diet. Number 6. Sardines. Small but mighty. Sardines take the 6th spot, and don't underestimate their power. These little fish are absolutely loaded with protein, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and calcium, all nutrients that aging muscles and bones desperately need. Because sardines are eaten whole, including the bones, they deliver an extra boost of calcium that supports bone density, which is critical as we age. What's remarkable is how affordable and accessible they are compared to other fish. Just a small serving of sardines provides a powerhouse of muscle-protecting nutrients, making them one of the smartest foods for seniors who want to maintain their strength. Number 7. Almonds, nutrient-dense energy. Almonds step in as an excellent plant-based option that packs a punch of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. They are rich in magnesium, which plays a crucial role in muscle function, and vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects muscle cells from damage. For older adults, magnesium deficiency is surprisingly common and can lead to weakness or cramps, but almonds can help correct that naturally. Just a small handful of almonds each day can provide long-lasting energy, keep your muscles nourished, and support your overall health without overloading you with calories. Number 8. Pumpkin seeds, the recovery secret. Pumpkin seeds may be tiny, but they are loaded with muscle-friendly nutrients that make them an essential food for anyone over 60. Packed with protein, iron, zinc, and healthy fats, pumpkin seeds are especially powerful for recovery. Zinc plays a key role in repairing muscle tissue, while iron ensures oxygen is delivered efficiently during physical activity. They also provide plant-based omega-3s, which support anti-inflammatory effects and help your muscles bounce back faster after activity. Pumpkin seeds are an easy snack, or can be sprinkled on salads and soups, giving you a simple way to add big benefits to your daily routine. Number 9. Spinach, the green muscle booster. Spinach has long been known as a superfood, and when it comes to maintaining strength after 60, it truly lives up to the hype. Spinach is loaded with nitrates, which improve blood flow and muscle efficiency, helping you perform physical activities with less effort. It's also packed with iron, magnesium, and potassium, 3 minerals that help prevent muscle cramps, fatigue, and weakness. On top of that, spinach is rich in antioxidants that protect your cells from damage and slow the effects of aging. Adding spinach to omelets, smoothies, or salads gives your body the nutrients it needs to keep your muscles working at their best. Number 10. Beef liver, the forgotten superfood. For the final spot, this is one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet, yet it's often overlooked. Beef liver is packed with high-quality protein, vitamin A, iron, and B vitamins, particularly B12, which is critical for energy production and muscle recovery. What makes liver so special is that it doesn't just support muscle health. It revitalizes your entire body by giving you nutrients that are often missing in modern diets. Just one small serving a week can boost your energy, improve your strength, and keep your muscles in peak condition. Here's the bottom line. After 60, your body doesn't just need exercise, it needs fuel that works as hard as you do. These 10 foods are not just about looking strong, they're about staying independent, active, and confident as you age. If you start adding even a few of these into your weekly meals, you'll notice more energy, fewer aches, and stronger muscles that support you in everything from climbing stairs to enjoying the hobbies you love. So now it's your turn. Which of these foods are already part of your diet, and which one will you start adding this week? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more powerful health tips, and share this with someone you care about. Staying strong after 60 isn't optional, it's essential.